In this episode of our New Zealand adventure, we will take you on 2 or 3 hikes in one of the most breathtaking mountain regions of New Zealand, Mt Cook. On our way to Mt Cook, we were stopping on Lake Tekapo with the stunning blue-colored water. You will see some of the famous mountain lakes with icebergs, hikes deep into the mountains, walking over swing bridges, and a trip to the Tasman Glacier Lake. Please enjoy the movie as we have enjoyed the trip.
We're in the Mackenzie country now. Beautiful dry hills again. Some gorgeous clouds. We'll be coming into Tekapo very soon. Let us see how it is. I hope you will enjoy it.
Lake Tekapo. We are at Lake Tekapo. And that's the view. Horse is sitting since a couple of minutes on the rock here and is enjoying the stunning view over the lake. The color of the water is amazing. The clouds are amazing. It's just a place to sit for a while and take it in. I will go behind her and show you what she is seeing. That's her view.
Hi guys, we're here in Tekapo.
It's an amazing place. The view is stunning. We're trying to do that here on this way. The camera on a tripod. I don't know what we can see here. It's
Maybe us.
Try and error. Maybe it's just us. Maybe we should put the camera to the side there. However, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow we will go to Mt Cook.
Yep.
Looking for some snow there or snow caps.
Glaciers. We are going there. See the snowy mountains on a blue sky day. So guys, that's definitely Mt Cook in the distance. Woohoo! Getting closer. What do you think about the view, honey?
Yeah, it's just stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Lake Pukaki, and in the background you can see Mt Cook. The weather is beautiful today, and the weather forecast for tomorrow is not so nice. That's why we are going today to see some really nice stuff today.
Hello.
Can you do it again?
Hello.
Look at the glaciers here. Oh, look at that. Glaciers. We are in the Mt Cook area, camping over there, and that is where we are going right now. We're hiking to the Kia point. There should be some cheeky parrots. Let us see if we can see some. And that there is Mt Cook.
We had brilliant weather, and behind me, I'm pointing at Mount Sefton, I'm looking down at the Glacier Lake. It's not looking very clear. There's ground up dirt and stone from the glacier, because the glacier is very powerful inside the lake. And you can see the track on the other side. We're planning to do that, and then Mt Cook. And then the beautiful clouds falling down over the mountain range. Can I ask you, what do you think of the spot?
Beautiful, stunning.
The orographic waterfall clouds you can see on the mountains are a type of fog, and orographic means related to mountains. We just loved them. We could have watched them for hours, and you see this beautiful foxglove in front of Mt Cook. So we see if we can see the Tasman Valley or Tasman Glacier walk. There is another one-lane bridge here. Someone is on the road. Oh, there's a helicopter.
That's supposed to be the blue lake. It's green. There's somewhere an explanation why it is green. However, it's definitely not blue. Up, up. Hard way up.
Make it.
I hope there's a reward for that. Huh? What do you think? Cool. You had the idea.
We both had the idea.
No. Hey darling, how are you? Are you dead? Come on.
I'm not.
This little bit of exercise.
It was almost vertical.
Oh.
Just leave me here. You can go back.
Oh.
I'll come later.
Oh no, then nobody's cooking dinner then. Okay. That's the glacier we came for. I think it's called Tasman Glacier. Recovered?
I am
Good.
fine now.
It's good. And someone is cooking food tonight.
Oh, it might be your turn. Hey baby, how are you?
Doing great. Nice exercise.
It's a nice mountain behind you.
The way down was much easier than the way up. We made it back to the camp. We had a great sleep, and the dinner was sorted out as well. Usually Rose is cooking and I'm doing other things like setting up the caravan.
The weather is not so good today. We made the right decision yesterday. We have these walks in the evening. So we have the sunshine. This is how the weather can change here.
We're here on the Hookah Valley track. This is Lake Muller. You have seen from the other side with the sun. You can see Mount Sefton here. And looking forward up the track to the next swing bridge. We're between the second and first swing bridge right now. There's all these huge pieces of rock along the path. I guess it's from the glacier. Rock fields.
To walk over a hanging bit, swinging is really good. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like it is raining in this area. And there, on top of the ridge, somewhere there, are some mountaineers climbing up like goats. That's Lake Hookah, and it's famous for the glacier ice swimming in the lake, small icebergs, and there at the corner is a glacier. was a around about 6-kilometer hike from the base camp. Now we are here. Lake Hookah Beach. The sun isn't shining, but we have some icebergs in the water. And there on the very end is the glacier, where the ice is coming from.